Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushmita and today our topic for discussion is Waldent metal bracket kit. But before starting the video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. So without further ado, let's get started. Waldent metal bracket kit comes with 20 stainless steel color-coded brackets that are used along with ligature ties for holding the arch wire for allowing controlled movement of the teeth. The base of the metal bracket is anatomically contoured to match the tooth contour for stronger bonding. Hooks are present on cuspid and bicuspid. The metal brackets are color-coded quadrant-wise as blue for first quadrant, red for second quadrant, yellow for third quadrant and green for fourth quadrant for better identification. Bracket height. Measure proper height for each bracket placement. Bracket angulation. Each bracket should be placed parallel to the long axis of the tooth in order to achieve proper angulation. Mesial distal position. Example, for flat surface teeth, place bracket in the center of the tooth. Firstly, if the patient has plaque or thick pellicle layer on his tooth surface, then scaling is done followed by pumicing, and if only pellicle is present, then only pumicing is sufficient. To create retention areas for the adhesive, apply Waldent Best Etch for 10 to 15 seconds on the facial surface of the tooth where Waldent metal brackets will be placed. Rinse the etchant with water and air dry with the help of 3-way syringe. The etched enamel will have a frosty appearance. Then apply and rub bonding agent on the etched enamel surface for about 10 seconds and blow dry gently for uniform distribution of the material. Now apply composite on the base of the metal bracket and place it on the facial surface of the tooth. Adjust the position of the metal bracket using Waldent height gauge before curing. Cure the Waldent metal bracket with LED curing light for 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, adjust the arch wire over the metal bracket and tie it with ligature ties. So that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.